This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining PVA glue with water to create a base adhesive. This is how you control viscosity and tack. Measure 1 cup glue and 1/4 cup water, then stir slowly so air bubbles stay minimal. Once mixed, add glycerin if you want a slightly flexible, less brittle bond. You do this now because viscosity determines how the glue will coat paper edges. Make sure to achieve a spreadable, slightly runny consistency before moving on. You now adjust tack so notes peel and restick. Introduce a tiny amount of thickener, sodium alginate or a 0.5% starch slurry, to give short-term adhesion. Stir and let the mix rest 5 to 10 minutes so chains form. Once rested, apply a thin stripe on scrap paper and dry briefly to check peel behavior. If it's too sticky, dilute with water. If too weak, add more PVA. This step fine-tunes how long the sticky lasts and how reusable the note. You apply a thin 3 to 5 mm stripe to the note backing, drying it flat for 20 to 30 minutes to form the adhesive film. Once dry, press gently with a roller to ensure even contact and a consistent thin layer. If notes become brittle or flake, add small glycerin increments next batch. If they slide off, increase thickener slightly or add less water. Finally, store at room temperature. Make sure to test multiple cycles to confirm reusability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.